Among the grand plans announced by Mukesh Ambani in the Reliance Industry AGM was a massive push involving tens of thousands of crores of rupees of investments into green energy. Included in this were 4 proposed giga solar factories in the Jamnagar complex. Now, in its next move, RIL has snapped up Norway-headquartered REC Global from China National Chemical Corporation for around 5,800 crore rupees. Later in the evening this past Sunday, the company also announced the acquisition of a 40% stake. That is, if its open offer is fully subscribed. In solar power equipment maker Sterling and Wilson for around 3,630 crore rupees. REC Global brings with it 3 factories in Norway and Singapore producing solar equipment. The company is in the process of setting up plants in the US and France to expand its production of solar cells and solar modules. Important because of near monopoly China currently enjoys in the field. Currently, 80% of world solar manufacturing supply chain runs through China. Manufacturing of 78% of all solar cells, 72% of solar modules, 67% of polysilicon and 97% of all silicon wafers used in solar cells is in China. REC's products will also free a part of the supply chain for the Jamnagar gigafactories from its dependence on China. The deal also ups the stake for Gautam Adani, who had announced his own green energy plans recently.
Over the next 10 years, we'll invest over $20 billion across renewable energy generation, component manufacturing, transmission and distribution.
Reliance has already announced plans to generate 100 gigawatts of green energy by 2030. Given the investments going into the sector, both private and public, and the tariffs which are much lower than either hydro or thermal, the figure could be achieved much earlier and help India get weaned away from environmental dirty coal. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.